And that weighs on the emotion. I am asking you something. Go back now. I am Tessa-Marie, and in this next video right now, I am going to speak with you about taking care of your emotional prosperity. My mission is to let everybody know that you can live a fulfilled life. I use my fulfilled life. I created a fulfilled life by embracing 5 pillars. I realized without living the life of emotional, mental, spiritual, physical, and financial prosperity and having them working for me, I could not live a fulfilled life. I could have had all the money in the world, or all the spiritual knowledge and wisdom, and let others be themselves, all of that, and physically fit, and mentally superb, and emotionally deranged. Then I'm not living a fulfilled life. How do you find balance in all of the pillars? It's paying attention to them. So living a fulfilled life starts with you. What does it mean to you? Where do you want it to go? I said, no matter where you are on this journey, you can live a fulfilled life by embracing the 5 pillars of prosperity. I do that. I teach you how to do that. I explain that every day. And I know if all these pillars are firing on all cylinders, you will thrive. So let me show you how to keep the pillar of emotional prosperity fulfilled, ready to and functioning high starting today. So emotional prosperity is the one pillar that reacts to our 5 senses. Anything we hear, we see, we feel, we touch is going to taste, is going to affect our emotions. But we do not put in sufficient emphasis on the importance of maintaining a pillar that is strong in emotion. We see people fly off the handle. We see people who are accomplished financially break down and just cannot, no amount of money can keep them safe. We see people who are so religious that emotionally they're afraid to even step out of their own home. We see those that are physically fit, and yet their emotion is telling them you cannot do that, so they don't do it. They're mentally, they can do it, but the emotion is so weak. I'm afraid, I wonder this, I don't know if I'm good enough. Right. But your emotional prosperity is the one that we have to fix right now, because if emotionally you're not ready, the noise of the world, the opinions of others, the assumptions they make of us, and the way they talk about us using words that are not impeccable or certainly not exquisite. They call us names. They say we are too old, we are too this, we are too fat, we are too young, we are too short, we are too old, we are the wrong race, the wrong this, the wrong brain level, all of that. And that weighs on the emotion. I am asking you something. Go back now, in your mind's eye, for a moment. And when that person or person in your home told you to shut up and sit down, you're not smart enough, the teacher said, you didn't know how to spell a word, go sit in the corner and write it 100 times, you're a dunce. When your parents said you do not know what to do, you're silly, you're too modern, all of these things, behave yourself, why are you so excitable, stop wearing these clothes, stop dressing up, take off the makeup, all of that. This man you're dating, this girl you're dating, she's from the other side of the track, you cannot go there. And you will not succeed. Nobody in our family went to college and then you want to do this? Yeah, all of that is destroying your emotional prosperity. And the thing is, we have to know that it is broken when we fly off the handle. And somebody said it doesn't matter. Yes, it did. Somebody cut you off and you followed them home, or you hung the horn, or you stuck to their tail, or you pushed. Whatever you did on that road, were you emotionally sane in this moment? Ask yourself the question. And you are wondering everything else, all the other pillars are fine. Why can I not feel? Why am I not enjoying being me? Because emotion is down there. Emotion is whack. I'm going to give you some tips. I'm going to ask you to do some things to keep that pill of emotional prosperity healthy. Yes, I am. And the first thing I'm going to do is to how you start your day and how you feel about it. If you're looking for someone to be a speaker at any of your events that you're planning, get in touch with me. My email address is right here, and you can contact me, and I would love to give you more about making life choices to you or any of the topic on living a fulfilled life. Have a great day. What you can do to fix your pillar of emotional prosperity, or what you can do to maintain the healthy emotional prosperity you have right now. What can you do? The very first thing you have to do, number one, is recognize that your emotions, my emotions, all our emotional prosperity needs attention every day. The attention and the amount of attention and the intensity of the attention is not what will make it healthy. What will make it healthy is small incremental steps towards making sure it is healthy, and doing this in a few minutes every day. When you first wake up in the morning, I know it's difficult. You have to reach over to turn off the alarm, and it's ringing. But if you can do that without disturbing too much of you, just do it. Close your eyes and decide it is going to be amazing today. If a thought that comes reminds you of the situation that you have to correct, the fight you have to go through, the manager you have to talk to that is going to make your life miserable, that one, you have to decide at that time, today is another day. I have to do better than yesterday. So you start that in your mind. Today is a brand new day, new slate, new clean slate. And then you can say any form of this. What is my plan for today? Or you can pray and ask God, what do you have me do today? You can ask another question while still lying in the bed. If you were me, what would you do today? That's a prayer to self, and the answer will come. And so you start your day with realizing where your emotion is. Are you thinking of something you don't like about your body? Then shift that. It's not a hard thing to do, but at that time, just rest on better. It's cranky. The body is lying down for 7 to 8 hours, so it's stiff. That is not a death sentence. That is to tell you, once you're up, you can do a little bit of stretching and drink a glass of water. I love to share what I do. I drink Himalayan salt, about a teaspoon in a glass of water. I haven't got my blood pressure is not high, but it's not very salty. But what it does, it stimulates you right away to bring you up. You can drink plain water. Before I started Himalayan salt, I would drink just distilled water, have it by my bedside. I wake up after I've done my little, okay, what are we doing today? I drink that entire glass of water, and then I move on to doing other things like the bathroom. And then for the emotional prosperity, you need to spend time with your mind and balance yourself. What did you eat yesterday that you didn't like or didn't make you feel good? Go back there, spend some time and reflect on your actions of yesterday. Did you like how you retaliated by a simple person touching you accidentally or cutting you off? Ask yourself, why am I so awful when these things happen? Why did I criticize my friend? Why did I criticize family? Why do I make opinions about others? Why do I gossip about them? And then rest and start to breathe and to do a 5-minute meditation. 5 minutes. And meditation is not, you don't have to sit always like a guru, but you can sit back straight. Your hands can be anywhere. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Close your eyes and breathe and follow your breath. And yes, your mind will wander, but pull it back. Your mind is like an unruly child or a wild horse. It will go. So pull it back gently and say, sit here. We're listening to my breath. We're feeling my breath. We can feel our heart pumping in. 5 minutes. When the timer goes though, do not just jump up. When the timer goes, if you know where it is, you press it. If not, you breathe in, you sit silently, you take a deep breath, and then slowly you open your eye, you start to wiggle your fingers, whatever you want to do, and you come out. That's all. That's all you do to maintain high-level emotional prosperity. I do that every day. All what I tell you, I do that. What that will do for you, it will enable you to know when you should walk into a situation, pull back, how you react. Because your emotion, if you react badly, can make your life, can destroy you financially, can destroy you physically, and it can destroy your spiritual belief. So, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, because I will constantly be bringing this type of videos to make sure you are able to live the fulfilled life that you choose. And have a wonderful day. Do not forget to subscribe and press the bell. Talk to you soon.